Your hair will never remain the same. Bowed no more. This is how my hair also transformed, guys. Remember when I told you that my goal for my hair is to get to my waist length? Guys, guess what? I've gotten to my shoulder length. Gradually, my hair is growing. I'm loving this so much. Can you see my hair, guys? You remember how we started? But now look at where we are, and gradually we are getting to the place where we wanted to be, my shoulder length. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, because here I share hair tips and beauty tips you wouldn't want to miss. So hit the subscribe button and let's jump into this DIY. For this hair growth recipe, I'm going to be using hibiscus flower. It is well accepted that the flower of hibiscus can promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicles, encouraging growth from dormant follicles, and reducing hair fall due to its vitamin C and amino acid content, which nourish the scalp and improve hair texture. You can just use a handful of hibiscus flower. Next, I'll be using ginger. Look what my ginger looks like. I'm going to, after washing the ginger, I'm going to peel it off and then slice the remaining part little by little into the blender to blend. Ginger has its own hair benefit. It stimulates hair growth. Ginger prevents hair damage. It helps maintain healthy hair follicles. Ginger is rich in minerals and vitamins, and this in turn will make your hair look softer and shinier. In general, we lose 50 to 100 hairs per day. An increase of more than 100 hairs per day constitutes a state of hair loss, and some of the factors contributing to hair loss are genetics and diseases such as typhoid, malaria, jaundice, and also uses of chemotherapeutic agents. After the ginger, I'm going to go ahead and use some garlic. I can use 5 to 6 garlic. Garlic also has its own benefits for my hair. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that promotes and improves blood circulation in the scalp, thereby promoting healthier hair growth. I'm going to peel off the back of the garlic and then get the extract in it. Slice the extract into small pieces and then blend it together. Garlic helps to keep scalp clean, and it helps to make the scalp free from infections that could inhibit hair growth due to its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Garlic is also very rich in vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, and in minerals like manganese, selenium, and antioxidants. It nourishes the scalp and hair follicles, so that is why garlic is a go-to ingredient for me for my hair. Garlic helps to straighten my hair, it stops breakage, and it gives my hair more volume and my follicles. Remember to consult your dermatologist for personalized advice. And free tips also to grow your hair is to eat balanced diets that contains plenty vitamins, minerals, and proteins, to stay hydrated, and also limit the use of heat styling tools such as blow dryer. Next, I'm going to be using my aloe vera. I'm going to peel the rough edges of my aloe vera, divide my aloe vera into two, then I'm going to get my aloe vera juice. I'm going to be scraping my aloe vera juice into the blender to blend together. Aloe vera also soothes the scalp, conditions the hair to make it look silky and shiny. Aloe vera contains essential vitamins and other materials. It moisturizes hair, preventing hair loss. Aloe vera is traditionally used for hair loss and improving hair growth without irritating the skin, since it contains aloenin, which is the major constituent. Remember that you should get a fresh aloe vera gel, not the one that has been processed industrially, to avoid any form of irritation or reaction. Next, I would be using my moringa seed. I'm going to peel the shell off, get the inner constituent, which I'm going to be working with, and then I'm going to be slicing the inner constituent into the same blender. Moringa seeds are rich in nutrients and vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, and minerals also like zinc, iron, and amino acid that nourish hair follicles and support overall hair health. The antioxidant in moringa seed helps to neutralize free radicals that can damage hair follicles. Likewise, also, the protein in moringa seed can strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends. So that is why moringa seed is a go-to DIY for me. Aloe vera also suits the scalp and promotes a healthy environment for hair growth due to its anti-inflammatory properties. So after slicing my moringa, I'm going to go ahead with the next ingredient, which I think is the last, which is my onion. Onion has its own personalized benefits for my hair. I've already washed my onion, so I'm just going to slice it into small components for it to be easy for my blender. Onion improves the circulation of blood in scalp, making hair develop and grow. I don't really like the smell of onion and garlic, and I guess so do you, because the smell of onion can stay for over 4 hours. I'm going to add water and blend this together. After blending, I'm going to get my sieve and sieve this. And then after sieving, I'm going to extract it into a container. The smell of onion can stay for 4 hours to 1 day even after shampooing, but don't worry, because of this video I will show you how I'm able to overcome the smell of onion and garlic. Next, I'm going to be applying a few drops of lavender essential oil. This is to combat the smell of onion and garlic. After applying it, I'm going to shake my mixture properly for application. I'm still shaking it, guys, and now it's time to apply. I'm going to use my hand to partition my hair into two. I'm going to be partitioning my hair into 6 segments altogether, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. So after partitioning, I'm going to apply this mixture from my scalp and make sure it sync, that every strand of my hair gets this treatment from my scalp to the tip of my hair. I'm going to apply this mixture, comb it, and then twist my hair down all together. This treatment may take a few months for you to actually see results. Be patient with your hair, give your hair the time, give your hair the space, pamper your hair, and then you are going to love the treatment. That was how my hair went from bald to bald, and I was able to grow hair even on my edges. Even though I'm not yet where I want to be, I'm still trying DIYs. I'm still trying to improve my hair to get my hair to the desired length I want, which is my waist. So I'm actually patient with my hair, so I advise you do the same. Be patient with your hair, give it space, give it time, and it will grow. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit the subscribe button and watch this video till the end, guys, because you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss any second of this video. Hit the subscribe button. And alright, I'm going to continue applying the remaining mixture up onto my hair, because after application I had little left, and after applying I'm going to put on my bonnet and let this hair sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of it off, I've washed my hair. Now I'm going to deep condition my hair with Elan methylated conditioner. This conditioner doesn't contain sulfur. It reintroduces moisture back to my hair, and it helps to suit my hair strand. I'm going to be massaging it all over my hair. Make sure that every strand gets this deep conditioning. I love massaging my hair a lot. It's one of the secrets to hair growth. I massage my hair in circular motions. It helps to stimulate blood flow to hair follicles, thereby promoting growth. And the bonus to it also helps to reduce stress and tension, guys. So after I've done massaging this into my scalp, into my hair, I'm going to let this deep conditioner sit on my hair for 10 to 15 minutes, guys. Then I'm just going to rinse it off with water. I'm done rinsing my hair. I'm going to apply Miracle Living Conditioner. Miracle Living Conditioner also adds moisture back to my hair, hydrates my hair shafts, making my hair feel less brittle and pliable. I'm still going to be massaging this all over my hair. Just like I told you, I love to massage my hair a lot because that's basically what promotes blood circulation. Then next I will apply a macadamia oil onto my scalp, and I'm still going to be massaging my hair. Macadamia oil is a go-to oil for my hair because it helps to promote hair growth a lot for me. It also has this nice baby like aroma, I must say, that I love so much. I'm going to massage it all over my scalp, make sure that every part of my scalp get this macadamia oil. Then next, I'm going to be applying shea butter to my hair. Just like I always say, shea butter helps to reduce environmental damage to scalp. After applying shea butter, I'm going to be dividing my hair into different segments. Apply shea butter at the tip and then braid my hair little by one. Shea butter forms a barrier on the hair shaft which helps to protect hair from environmental damage such as UV rays. Shea butter nourishes my hair. It helps to detangle my hair and it helps to prevent split ends. It protects my hair, it moisturizes my hair, it helps my hair strands and it softens hair. Shea butter strengthens hair fiber and prevents hair aging. It conditions the hair, softens and smooths hair shaft. Massaging shea butter onto the scalp can help soothe irritation and dryness, and it creates a healthy environment for hair growth due to its moisturizing and nourishing properties. It strengthens hair follicles and reduces breakage, allowing our hair to grow longer and stronger. I'm going to choose what I'm using is a high quality unrefined shea butter to ensure it retains its natural nutrients and benefits. Start with a small amount to avoid weighing down your hair. Then you can increase the amount depending on how long or thick your hair is. Little goes a long way with shea butter. You don't need to apply too much, just little is okay. Before applying, I rub it between my palm to slightly melt it down. Always handle your hair gently when brushing it, when styling it, when combing it. Use a white tooth comb if you must comb your hair, and don't comb a dry hair. Make sure your hair is wet when combing it to prevent hair breakage or hair pulling. This DIY is very potent and effective. I'm going to be using it once a week, guys. I'm still massaging my edges to make it come out. I love you guys. Thanks so much. If you watch this video to this point, you are the real MVP. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you so much. Thanks for watching, and I would be seeing you very soon.